Hey everyone, it's Tina with Studio T Hair Salon, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about return hairs. Return hairs are the short little hairs that you see on your topper. People think this is breakage. It's actually not breakage. It is part of the process of putting hair on a base. So I'm going to show you. If we think of this as the base of our hair topper, this knot was put on and the knot was tied very close to the base. This one I'm going to put in, and I'm going to have a return come on the other end, and I'm going to double knot it. Our toppers are hand tied and they are double knotted. So if you look at this base now, you can see that there is a shorter hair right there. That is the return hair. Why we do return hairs like this, and I actually pay for them to be a little bit longer so they're not standing straight up, is this is more secure. This hair, if the knot was right there, it would not. It would eventually, when you're blow drying and round brushing, it would pull out. Also, no one has hair that's completely one length from top to bottom. Every day we're shedding hair and new hair is coming in, and that just, everyone has that. So it makes the hair piece actually look a lot more natural, and it gives it some extra volume because of those short little pieces. So if you've got questions about return hairs,